This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to easily add custom CSS to your WordPress site. To do so, navigate to your WordPress site. Suppose I want to change the font for this home text. So I inspect element and I find out that home is the home is called h1.entry-title. Okay. See? Okay. So what I do is I go to the Customize tab, and usually when you install a WordPress theme, it'll have the option to customize, and you go to additional CSS, and here you can add your CSS code. So I will do h1.entry-title. This describes this piece of text here on the home screen, and I will make it font-family fantasy. Alright, so this is the customization I want to do. And then I click publish. So after customizing the CSS, you notice that the home text is different. Now, to make sure that this is the case, I'll open up a new tab. Alright, and sure enough, this home text has been customized. So that is how to add custom CSS to your WordPress site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.